Now see titration of strong acid versus strong base versus weak acid. But most of the students are getting confusion because we have different formulas to calculate pH, like weak acid, weak base. Okay, you know that one, salts and buffer
Yes,
solution.
sir.
So which
We have
formula you have to
acidic
use?
buffer in.
Yeah, which formula you have to use?
Oh,
That's
okay,
the
like
question. In different
okay.
situations, we can try it. Clear? So first question is
Okay.
before titration. Before titration, calculate pH. Got it? Before
Yes,
titration.
sir.
And second question is I'm adding here. For example, I'm adding here 20 ml of NaOH to the solution, which is acetic acid solution. And third case, we're adding here 25 ml of NaOH. And fourth case, assume that one, I'm adding 50 ml of NaOH. And fifth case, I'm adding, assume that one, 70 ml of NaOH.
Okay.
So I have to
Sir, if we
calculate. Yeah,
increase this much want the pH be very, very, very like by a lot?
that will change little bit, not too much. Okay,
Yes.
but you will get more than 7 pH because that become more rustic basic character na, going slowly because I'm
Yes.
increasing NaOH volume slowly.
Okay.
So acid to
Sir,
base.
so not they didn't mention that this is a buffer solution, right?
No, no, you have to identify which is buffer, in which case that acts as buffer.
Okay, so they just gave the solution. We have to identify whether it's a buffer solution or something else.
It is buffer or salt, something you have to identify. So I given
Oh,
all
okay.
all the cases here one by one. Got it?
Okay,
So
sir.
before titration, what they contain here? Before the titration, our target is pH calculation of the solution. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the solution. So before titration, what they present here? Only acetic acid.
Yes, sir.
So only acetic acid means that is weak acid or strong acid.
Weak acid.
Then you have to use formula pH equal to half into pKa minus log C.
Yes, sir.
This is the formula you have to use.
Yes, sir.
So C is zero point 0.1 and the log pK value already provided 4.74. Then you can solve it.
Okay, sir.
And second
One,
question. Yeah, I can.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Take time, no issue.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Then they are reacting each other. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So you can write equation first every case. That's easy for us.
Okay, sir.
Then calculate how many equivalents present here. So acetic acid, how much is present? Equivalence means normality into volume is the equivalence. Normality into volume nothing but equivalence formula. And molarity, normality equal to molarity into n factor. For acetic acid is n factor is 1. So normality equal to molarity. Even they given molarity, you can use directly normality.
Yes, sir.
Zero point 0.1 into 50 ml. How many milliequivalents will get here? 5.
5.
And NaOH, how many ml they are adding? 20 ml second case. I am discussing about second case.
2.
20 into zero point 0.1. How much will get? 2.
2, sir.
Which is the limiting reagent here?
NaOH, sir.
Yes, that is completely going to be react. When they are reacting,
Okay.
Actually, 1 mole require 1 mole. So 2 moles require 2 moles. Then remaining is 3 moles. And this is 0. And how much salt you will get? 1 mole only, no? Means 2 moles you will
Yes.
get. 2 moles salt.
Yes,
Because
sir.
2 moles NaOH reacting means 2 moles salt you will get. Because 1 mole NaOH will give 1 mole salt.
Yes.
So what type of solution this is right now?
Weak acid, strong base.
What is the formula you have to use?
Uh, the acidic buffer one, sir.
Yes.
pK, what? pH is equal to, um, 1 second, sir. 1 second.
Yes,
Let me
yes.
tell it.
It is buffer solution
Um,
first. Okay. Because in the
yes.
solution present, weak acid present, 3 equivalents, and strong base weak acid salt is present. Both present in the solution. So it is
Yes.
buffer. Then pH equal to pKa plus log of salt by acid. So you can substitute pH equal to pKa means 4.74 plus log of salt is 2 by 3 acid. By using this, you can
Yes.
get it answer.
Yes.
So like this, you have to apply formula. And the third case also same thing. Write equation, very simple. CH3COOH plus NaOH. It will give CH3COONA. Same as it is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you can calculate equivalents. This is 5 already fixed. Zero point 0.1 into 50. No? This is zero point 0.1
Yes.
into 25. I given I think so. So this is
Yes, sir.
5. This is 2.5 and 0.
A bit.
After reacting, this become 2.5. This also become 2.5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is 0. Now pH equal to pKa plus log of salt by acid. Salt is 2.5. Acid is
Yes, sir.
2.5. Now here pH equal to pKa. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Nothing but 4.74. Now this is half neutralization. We are going to be called this point is half neutralization.
Okay, sir.
At half neutralization point, pH equal to pKa. For base
Oh, okay,
also.
sir.
Even for base also pH equal to pKb at the time. Sorry, POH equal to pKb at the time. For base, basic buffer.
Okay, sir.
This is half neutralization. And third case, how many ml we are adding? 50 ml. Na? Sorry,
Yes.
fourth case, 50 ml we are adding. So now you can identify fourth case. CH3COOH plus NaOH. What will get here? CH3COONA. Same, equation is same. Then this is zero point 0.5 into 1 into 5, 50. Zero point 0.1 into 50. So 5, 5. Nothing is the limiting reagent here. So completely
Yes, sir.
reacted. This is nothing is 0, but this is 5.
Yes, sir.
Now which formula suitable?
Uh, Same previous formula should only be suitable, sir.
No. There is no weak acids na, in the solution. So you can't use buffer.
Salt, sir.
Yes. Which type of salt?
Uh, strong base, weak acid.
Very good. That's we need to identify. Okay.
So based on equation only and concentrations, we can determine what kind of solution it
Correct.
is.
Correct. Every student they are doing here mistakes. Sir, we have too many formulas. In which case, which one you have to use?
Oh, okay. So first we should derive equation, then look at
Yes.
concentration, then we can determine what kind of
So every time you have to write
solution.
equation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Plus log C. Na? This is the formula. And question mark here, see how to calculate. Here they given zero point 0.5. Sorry,
Yes,
5,
sir.
5 milli equivalents. This is milli, okay? Milli equivalents because ml. But we have to use before using that C value, this more important. C value we are going to write M1 V1 equal to M2 V2.
Okay, sir.
Because initially, I think so, zero point 0.1, more concentration is zero point 0.1 of, is there? and 50 ml
Yes.
we are using. But final concentration, both I am adding now, acid and base both we are adding.
Yes,
Already
sir.
acid have 50 ml, then we are adding base also 50 ml. That become 100 ml or not?
Yes, sir.
So at the time you have to calculate concentration. So M equal to, this is 5 by 100. This milli equivalents means 10 power minus 3. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
how much we'll get here? Anyway,
Mm,
ml will be cancelled, doesn't matter here.
5 into 10 power minus 5.
This also
So
10 power
log
minus
5
3.
plus
You'll
5.
get 5 into 10 power minus
Log
2.
5 plus 5.
This ml I am converting into liters. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 will be cancelled. Then 5 into 10 power minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So in place of C, you have to use 5 into 10 power minus 2. Don't forget this one again. You know C's we are getting 5. But this dilution
Yes,
process, this is mostly students they are forgetting. Up to this they can find out. But here again is going to be forgetting students.
yes, sir.
Because
Sir,
dilution. Yes.
so your 5 by 100 into 10 power minus 3 shouldn't be 5 into 10 power minus 5. Like 5, 10 power 2, then again.
But again I'm ml you have to convert into liters, no, that is. Then again 10 power
Okay.
minus 3 will be there, no?
Okay, sir.
Because this is ml, you have to convert liter means by 1000. Here also you have to convert into ml into 1000. 1000 will be cancelled, no?
Yes, sir.
There nothing is the left.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I didn't consider the liter one, sir.
Now you can use formula pKa value and log C value, then calculate, you will get your answer.
Okay, sir.
And last case, which is fifth one, sorry, fifth one, that is
17.
acetic acid,
And
COOH.
limiting reactant will be CH3COH, sir.
Yes, correct. Very good. CH3CONA plus H2O. How much limiting reagent can you find out? This is zero point 0.1 into 50. This is zero point 0.1 into 70. Na?
Yes, sir.
So this is 5 and this is 7. So limiting reagent is acid. Now 0. This finally 2 remaining. This is 5 we are getting. Okay. Now which formula you have to use?
Uh, here is salt is there and strong base is there.
Yes, correct.
So buffer
No,
the
this is not buffer. Na? Buffer should be weak acid strong base salt.
weak acid strong. Yes, sir.
Not strong base salt with weak acid strong base. Na?
Yes, sir. Buffer is always weak. Yes.
That is only again we are getting students confusion here if you are giving paragraph questions for advance. So you have to
Okay.
take only base. In place of strong base, salt doesn't work anything. So pH is going to be determined by strong base.
Okay, sir.
Now again here M1V1 formula you have to use. M1V1 equal to M2V2. Okay.
Yes.
So M1V1 is 2, you got it. Remaining concentration. M2 I don't know. But volume you know that one, 50 plus 70.
Yes.
120. Na?
120.
Then calculate M2 value 2 by 120. This is concentration of OH minus. Keep in mind.
Yes, sir.
Then directly can calculate strong base formula, which is POH equal to minus log. I think so 2 by 120. So now you will
Yes.
get your direct answer. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
all the cases we discuss, if you understood all these cases step by step, then doesn't matter in ionic equilibrium what they are giving questions. Got it?
Okay.
I think so you
Yes,
can
sir.
get it answered perfectly everything. Now next time you
Yes.
can use here instead of acetic acid, you can use NH4OH, and instead of NaOH you can use HCl. Then try again
Yes.
yourself. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I think you understood now these things.
Yes, sir.